Good day everyone, welcome to Emmhi Buzz channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stick to business accounts. The first thing you have to do is click the icon, 3 lines by the side of your screen. So click on it. Then click on settings and privacy. So after that, you see what we call creator tools and controls. Click on it. So just scroll down here. So you can even, you want to connect your page to, you can also make use of this connect or create. You can make use of it too. There's another way you can connect your Facebook page. So what we are doing here is strict to click on strict account type, then click on it. As you can see, it gives you 2 options. It's either you strict to business accounts or strict to personal account. If you want to run an advert, you have to strict to business accounts. So that's how you do it. So click on strict. So that's all. Everything is going to that's all for switching new account type. So if you really enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone.